Fashion leads the trend, full of charm. Flying Bird recommends the latest fashion ear clip Bluetooth headset T20B. It has a clip-on design, merging the benefits of in-ear headphones. Clear sound without noise. At the same time, it has the advantages of not falling off and not hurting the ears. You can easily communicate with the outside world. 9D surround sound effect. Dual microphones effectively reduce environmental noise. Achieve high-definition calls. Smart one-button touch wake-up voice SIR. LED digital display charging screen. Nano coating has good waterproof and sweatproof function. It is the preferred style for sports and fashion crowd. Flying Bird. Thank you for watching.